increase, the world takes shape. Paper skies and rivers drape. Fingers guide the fragile art. Creation blooms where edges part. Fold the dreams and let them soar. 1,000 wings forevermore. In every fold a story lies, a crafted tale beneath the skies. Scissors hum a gentle tune, shapes arise beneath the moon. Corners meet and edges bind, a masterpiece from heart and mind. Whispered folds in silent grace, patterns flow in endless space. Every twist and turn aligns, binding worlds in paper lines. Fold the dreams and let them soar. 1,000 wings forevermore. In every fold a story lies, a crafted tale beneath the skies. Hands at work, a quiet glow, creating worlds where none would know. Paper dreams, they come